Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title, we'll be talking about news about Roblox doing direct listing. If you do seem to enjoy the video as the video goes on, please be sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's dive into news about Roblox doing direct listing. In December of last year, Roblox Corporation, a video game company with an in-game purchasing model, was expected to complete its initial public offering, IPO, after seeing Airbnb and DoorDash post impressive first day pops that disputed the valuation models for tech IPOs. The company postponed its IPO, instead it will go public via a direct listing. The company has confirmed we'll look at what a direct listing is and why the option of Roblox for the conventional IPO market is a sign of trouble. Well, first of all, how job guide listings? A clear distinction between direct listings and IPOs used to be present, as new capital was not raised and the only existing shares were auctioned on the market. Direct listings were essentially conducted for liquidity purposes. From Spotify's Technology SA, Spot and Slack Technologies Inc. Work are two prominent tech companies that are under the conventional method went public via direct listings. However, the Securities and Exchange Commissions modified the rules on direct listings in late December 2020 to allow companies to raise cash via direct listings by auctioning new shares along with those of existing shareholders who are looking to sell. With the latest reform in the rules, direct listings are even more appealing than ever. Direct listings also allowed companies to save the money paid to underwriters in an IPO prior to the rule change, but they could not collect new funds. Companies will experience a direct listing, collect money, and yet save cash with the rule change. The direct listing process also does not entail a lockup as required by an IPO for existing shareholders. The problems of the IPO. The rule change around direct listings, one sponsored by the New York Stock Exchange, is connected to broader IPO market related issues. The concept behind an IPO is that a business pays an expert assistance fee and promotes the pricing of its shares so that all of them are purchased at the correct price by the public. The largest direct expense is the payments charged as part of an IPO, and PwC reports that the total subscription charge is 3.5% to 7% of the gross IPO proceeds. Generally, the bigger the offer, the lower the percentage charge. But when we talk about billion total plus IPOs, the dollar sum would inevitably be much larger. Although the costs are large, if the businesses felt they were getting maximum value of the pricing side, the fees would be a non-issue. Unfortunately, when they go public, the massive IPO pops of businesses such as an Airbnb mean that these businesses leave cash on the table. There's a real strong case that we're in a bit of an IPO bubble, but that doesn't excuse a specialist for paying tens of millions of dollars to businesses, leaving billions of dollars of money on the table. Now, why Roblox chose direct listing? We don't have to spend much time guessing why Roblox has walked away from its IPO. The Wall Street Journal reported that it was the trading action of an Airbnb and DoorDash that caused company executives to delay rather than leaving capital on the table. After postponing the planned IPO, Roblox raised over $500 million in a Series H funding round. The latest funding round values the company at $29.5 billion, a massive jump from $4 billion in its previous funding round. This probably means that Roblox is less concerned with raising more capital as part of the planned direct listing. Instead, the direct listing is merely giving existing investors a planned liquidity event to cash out if they want to. Roblox will still have the option to raise more capital when the time comes, of course, and the direct listing is planned, not imminent. Roblox can always change those plans as it did with the IPO. Now guys, if you made it this far into the video and you learned something new, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button on this video and also subscribe to the channel, because I know some of you guys are not really subscribing. But without further ado guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.